In this video, we clarify a common misconception about bird-friendly glass. Bird-friendly glass ruins the view for building occupants. This is false. Light-filled interiors and inspiring views are a big part of the appeal of living and working in a building made with large expanses of glass. Bird-friendly glass uses different technologies to create patterns birds can see to avoid a collision. So it's natural to assume that these patterns will disrupt the view for the people inside. But you might be surprised by how little impact a deterrent can have on a view if specified appropriately for the project. From inside the building, the visibility of a bird deterrent depends on the technology, the pattern design and color, which define how much it will contrast with the visual environment, especially the brightness and complexity of the scenery outside. For example, on a bright day, if the surrounding scenery is uniform, like a cloudless stretch of sky, building occupants may be able to see some contrasting dark-colored deterrent patterns on the glass. But if the surrounding view is complex, like a busy cityscape or a leafy forest, the same pattern can be much less visible from inside the building. The opposite can also be true. Light-colored patterns are less visible against the backdrop of a blue sky. Regardless, many buildings feature large expanses of glass that are completely covered with a bird deterrent pattern, and yet people inside hardly notice. Some bird-friendly UV glass, in particular, can be designed to have almost no impact on the view people experience. Birds can see the UV portions of the light spectrum, and humans cannot, so under most conditions, some UV pattern will be more visible to birds than to people. For this reason, UV technology can be a great way to preserve the view while providing bird-protecting benefits. But not all bird-friendly UV solutions work the same way, and not all provide the same benefits. Learn more in our next myth-dispelling video.